Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on bankruptcy services with Upsolve easy tutorial step by step clearly. To save on bankruptcy services using Upsolve, start by visiting the Upsolve website. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary personal information to register. Once registered, navigate to the dashboard. Choose the option to begin a bankruptcy case. Follow the prompts to provide details about your financial situation. Enter information about your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Be thorough and accurate while filling out all required fields. After entering your financial details, review your information for accuracy. Proceed to the chapter of bankruptcy you wish to file for, usually Chapter 7. Carefully read the eligibility requirements for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. If you qualify, continue through the application process. Complete the means test to determine if bankruptcy is the right choice. Review all generated documents carefully. Once satisfied with your documents, download and print them. Locate your local bankruptcy court's information. File your completed documents with the court and pay the necessary filing fee. If you're unable to pay the fee, look into fee waiver options. Attend the required meeting with creditors, known as the 341 meeting. Following these steps can help you save on expensive bankruptcy services while managing your situation effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.